Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use a hair mask. A properly applied hair mask can transform dull, dry hair into silky, hydrated locks. Firstly, choose a deep repair, cruelty-free hair mask that suits your hair type and needs. For dry or frizzy hair, pick a hydrating mask with shea butter or argan oil. For damaged or brittle hair, go for protein-based mask. And for oily scalp, choose a lightweight balancing formula. Now wash your hair with your regular shampoo to remove dirt and buildup, and apply a light conditioner and rinse. Towel dry your hair gently. It should be damp, not dripping wet. Now divide your hair into manageable sections using clips or hair ties. This ensures even coverage and prevents product wastage. Now take a generous amount of mask in your heads. Apply from roots to tips, working through each section, and use fingers or a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly. Gently massage your scalp to boost blood circulation and absorption, and let the mask sit for 5 to 7 minutes or as instructed on the product label. This gives the nourishing ingredients enough time to penetrate deeply into the hair shafts. Now for enhanced results, wrap your hair in a warm towel or use the shower cap to create a mild steam effect. This helps open the cuticles, allowing the mask to absorb better. Now, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm or cool water and make sure there's no residue left, as leftover product can weigh hair down or cause buildup. Just a pro tip, use a hair mask once a week for normal hair and twice a week for every dry or damaged hair. Regular use helps maintain shine, strength, and softness over time. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.